A brand new prefab home model was recently announced, and spoiler alert, they're going up in size. Lately, I have been getting a lot of comments about the size of what I'm presenting, and it seems the consensus is that people are looking for something bigger. Well, as luck would have it, one company has increased their largest model from 690 square feet up to 800 square feet, and it might just be enough to drive a few taps on the like button for the YouTube algorithm. To make things a little more interesting yet, I'm talking about a fairly new company, and yes, they are building and delivering homes. Here's the thing, there are very few things that get people going more than showing a home that isn't available. People watch the video, like the idea, and then find out there's a 14-year wait list and they're on the bottom. I get it, I recently had a similar experience with a hoodie, so I just made my own, but that's a lot easier said than done when we're talking about a home. With that in mind, I try to show companies that are in the early stages as well as available now, because I understand that some people like to know what's coming in the industry and others just want to know what is available now. Then there are the rare occasions like today where I get to talk about something new that's also available now, and that's what I like to call a big day. A win-win. About a month ago, there was a post on the Samara Instagram account announcing that the general public could go watch as they craned one of their homes into a backyard, and there would be complimentary tacos for everyone that showed up. I wish I took a screenshot of the post, but I was probably too busy thinking about the tacos. I wasn't able to make it to the big show, but I did think it was a cool opportunity for potential customers, prefab enthusiasts, or someone who was just feeling a bit peckish looking to body a couple tacos. I should probably back it up a bit here because it's been a while since I talked about Samara, and there could very well be people sitting out there wondering who they are and what I'm even talking about. Samara is a fairly new prefab home company that was announced back in the fall of 2022 that are now available in California. The company is called Samara, but they're calling the homes backyards because they're designed to be used as an accessory dwelling unit, even though it is mentioned on their website that they can technically be used as a primary residence. Their website says backyards are designed for a better tomorrow thanks to top-tier energy efficiency and optional solar arrays. Backyard cuts your dependence on the grid. Think of it as design with purpose. Good for you, good for the planet. When they first launched, I believe it was with the studio and the one bedroom, but they've since doubled the amount of models they're offering. But more on that in 2, possibly 3.5 minutes. At the time of the launch, it wasn't common knowledge, to me anyway, where backyards were being built, and I'm thinking that's because they were coming out of a factory that builds multiple brands under the same roof, and we didn't get to know where it was. I don't have any information on who or where that was, and to be completely honest, it is now irrelevant because they brought manufacturing in-house and now have their own facility. In a press release from earlier this year, it says, and I quote, "Today Samara announced it has acquired a factory that brings the manufacturing of its high-quality accessory dwelling unit completely in-house. Located in Mexicali, Mexico, the factory gives Samara more control over the quality standard of backyard, shortens delivery timelines, accelerates product development, and enables the company to meet rising customer demand in California and beyond." I don't have Mexico memorized yet, but a quick Google search revealed that Mexicali is just across the line and is listed at an hour and a half from Yuma. Couple key takeaways from the press release, which for the record is not recent. It was announced back in February. I just must have been sleeping on the job. It was mentioned that the new factory would be able to meet rising customer demand in California and beyond. Last time I checked, these were only available in California, so I was excited about the prospect of them being available in other states, but that doesn't seem to be the case. Yet anyway. At the bottom of the homepage, it's still noted that their homes are available in California, and then below that it says not in California, tell us where to build next. So, still a bit of a hurry up and wait situation for anyone in another state. No indication of when that might change. I guess it depends on how many orders they're getting in California. If you are currently located in California or have plans to visit there, they have a couple of showrooms so people can get a feel for these things in person. Looks like their main showroom is located in Redwood City, and they also have a pop-up location in Thousand Oaks, California that is by appointment only. When available, I do find that it is fun to see a home in person, and fun matters. Write that down. Well, I guess I should probably get to the new model because that was the point of the entire video. So, the new model recently announced by Samara is the Backyard XL. The XL is 110 square feet larger than the 2-bedroom, which was previously their largest option. Right away, the biggest difference you'll notice compared to everything else they've got is the width. The studio has dimensions of 29 by 15. The one bedroom has dimensions of 37 by 15. And the two bedroom has dimensions of 47 by 15. Everything so far has been 15 feet wide. The XL has dimensions of 32 feet long by 25 feet wide, which gives the entire thing a completely different look and feel both inside and out. The XL is described as a bigger, bolder backyard. With larger appliances, an ensuite, a shared bathroom, and plenty of storage, Backyard XL folds the luxe details of a full-size home into a tidy 800 square foot package. Something that's becoming more and more common all the time that I like and is available with Samara is the ability to configure this thing right on their website. I was on there messing around with different color options and settled on the black roof with the light gray siding, and I like the look of the smooth coated steel. I like the look, but fair warning, this is not a cheap option. It'll tack 30,000 big ones onto the bottom line. So a decision has to be made whether or not the juice is worth the squeeze. With the upgrade, you get 24-inch horizontal smooth coated steel insulated panels that are said to be easy to clean and never need to be painted. On top of that, they're fire, moisture, and rot resistant. They've got optional upgrades for windows and doors on every side of the home, and they've also got solar available right from the factory. The standard is no solar, then they've got the option to go half solar or full solar. The exterior shown on their website has the vertical fiber cement siding, upgraded doors out of the end of the home, living room, and the bedroom we can see in the picture, as well as at least a half solar. Could be full, but I can't see the other side of the roof. The way they have the standard XL set up, the entrance is on the end of the home into the kitchen. The kitchen is described on their website as worth cooking in, but unless it comes stock with a personal chef, I can't imagine it'll be increasing the taste per bite on my home cooked meals. That'll remain low unless I'm running my nacho program, at which point I'll see a spike. Probably worth noting, it comes with a next-gen induction cooktop that boils water in seconds. It seems noteworthy. Across from the kitchen, they've got the living room, and then the plan continues into the hall. The first door on the right is a combo space. First, they've got the laundry room, and then it goes into the main bathroom. The main bathroom has a sink, toilet, tub, shower, and a window. Everything you'd expect to see in a bathroom. No surprises there. At the back of the home, they've got the bedrooms, one of which has an ensuite. A second bathroom is always a nice feature, and I always like a laundry room that's connected to a bathroom like that. I just do. All in all, a well thought out 800 square feet. Before I wrap this thing up, I am going to get into their pricing, but keep in mind prices can and usually do change, but will be accurate at the time of posting this video. The studio has a base price of $269,000. The one bedroom has a base price of $284,000. The two bedroom has a base price of $324,000, and the new Backyard XL has a base price of $414,000. They've got a lot of available options, so it wouldn't be hard to run this price way up if that's what you want to do. Samara has taken production in-house with a new 150,000 square foot factory in Mexico to handle quality control and cut down on wait times. They are now delivering homes to customers and tacos to the public, and if all goes well, I will make one of their taco events soon. Between the new factory and another new model, they have got a lot going on, so I'll be following along with what they're up to and posting updates right here on my YouTube channel. That's all I've got for today. If you like Prefab Home videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got new ones coming out every single week. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.